Assalamu alaikum. Tajia how? So in this lesson we are going to learn months and dates in Chinese language. This lesson will be very easy for you if you know counting numbers in Chinese language. And if you have not watched my counting video, so I would suggest you should watch my counting video first, then this lesson will be much easier for you. So let's get started. So let's start with months. The word for the month in Chinese, that is Yue. Please read after me. Yue. Yue. So now, how do we say January to December in Chinese language? January, the first month of the year. Yi Yue. Yi is the number one and Yue is used for month. Yi Yue. Yi Yue. The first month of the year, which is January. Yi Yue. February, the second month. Er Yue. Er Yue. Er is the second number and Yue is used for month. Er Yue. February. March, the third month. San Yue. San Yue. San Yue. March. April. Si Yue. Si Yue. Si Yue. April. May, the fifth month. Wu Yue. Wu Yue. Wu Yue. May. June, the sixth month. Liu Yue. Liu Yue. Liu Yue. June. July. Qi Yue. Qi Yue. Qi Yue. July. August. Ba Yue. Ba Yue. Ba Yue. August. September. Jiu Yue. Jiu Yue. Jiu Yue. September. October. Shi Yue. Shi Yue. Shi Yue. October. November. Shi Yue. Shi Yue. Shi Yue. November. December. Shi Yue. Shi Yue. Shi Yue. December. So now let's move to the dates in Chinese. How. How means number, date in a month. How. Please read after me. How. How. Yi Hao. The first. Yi means one. Yi Hao. Er Hao. The second. Er Hao. Now, how do we say January 1st? Yi Yue. Yi Hao. Yi Yue means January. Yi Hao means first. Yi Yue. Yi Hao. January 1st. Now let's have a quiz. How do we say March 3rd? Yeah. San Yue. San Hao. San Yue. San Hao. Yeah. Isn't it so easy? Yeah. If someone asks what is the date today, how do you say in Chinese? We can say like 今天是几月几号. 今天 means today. 是 is MR. Ji is the question word to use ask about the numbers. Yue month. How is the number? Date. 今天是几月几号? What is the date today? Let's say today is January 5th. By the way, today is not January 5th, we just pretend. So in Chinese, we can say like 今天是1月5号今天是1月5号1月 January 5号 5th 1月5号 January 5th 今天是1月5号 Today is January 5th. Now quiz time. How to say December 15 in Chinese? Like today is December 15. So how do we say in Chinese? We can say like 今天是12月15号 December is the 12th month. 12 is 12. 12 means 12. 15号 This means is 15. 今天是12月15号 Today is December 15. Let's take one more example. Like today is November 25. How to say in Chinese? We can say like 今天是11月25号 11 means 11 25 25 11月25号 November 25. 今天是11月25号 Today is November 25. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. I hope you find this video very helpful, and please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't. See you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz. 再见.